In this video, I will show you how to create business email in SiteGround hosting account. First, log into your SiteGround hosting account. Then click on Websites. Then click on Site tool of the website for which you want to create a business email. Now click on Email Accounts. Now look, here is showing Create New Email Account. Now from here, select your domain. Then enter your account name. Then enter your password. Then click on Create. Now look, the business email is created. So click on the action. Then click on Log into Webmail. So look, the email account is open. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.